how to screen mirror Android to laptop. First of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and run the projects and settings. If you don't have the feature of wireless display added, just go ahead and tap on open additional feature, tap on view features, which is over here, and then search for wireless display. Go ahead and click on it and tap on next. After you do this, just go ahead and tap on add. Wait for a while and the wireless display will be installed or the feature will be added. Once the wireless display feature is added, you can easily tap on the wireless display feature, and then the next step is to open up your phone. Once you open up your phone, if you are using any Android device, you can see something like screen sharing under the settings. So you can either find quick share, screen sharing, or link to Windows as well. So you can easily choose any one of those, and once you do that, you can easily mirror your screen. After you do this, you can enjoy the seamless access to your mobile. You can easily use this and you can screencast or you can screen cover the wireless display. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.